Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Gulfgate local and long-distance movers near me. With its warm climate, diverse recreational opportunities, and proximity to Sarasota's cultural offerings, Gulfgate City is a true treasure for visitors seeking sunshine, serenity, and a taste of authentic Florida charm. Whether it's a local relocation within the same city or just a short distance away, enlisting the services of Gulfgate local TM movers is a great idea. For instance, with 3 movers for your short distance moves, you get personalized service. We're more than willing to accommodate your special requests, such as packing assistance. Our focus on offering personalized service helps us to create a smoother and more stress-free moving experience for you. Likewise, we're more familiar with Gulfgate as we understand the area's unique challenges, such as narrow streets, high-rise buildings, and access restrictions. With this knowledge, we can employ suitable strategies and utilize specialized equipment to navigate obstacles effectively. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gulfgate Lake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.